This'll teach you to go stale on me.
Josh, we've got big problems.
Can you close the door?
Oh, yeah, sorry. Not trying to cool down the whole neighborhood.
Yeah, you got that right. What's going on?
Oh yeah, so Keith went and paid a lot of money for sound effects, and I kind of destroyed them all.
How do you do that?
Let's just say the chupacabra is real.
Okay. Well, what do we do now?
Well, I think there's only one thing to do. Me and you are going to have to re-record every sound effect.
Oh my. Let's do it.
It's so shiny, can I touch it?
No. The only way I could get one of these was to wait for a bear to poop it out. We're gonna have to use the rocket.
Woo-woo! 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 Ah! Holy! Ting, ting, ting.
If it ain't yellow, it ain't mellow, you feel me?
Hey man.
Hey man, did you put it on the hard drive?
Yeah, I got it on there.
Nice. Think you'll notice?
No. I think we outsmarted Keith on this one. Woo-woo! Woo-woo!
I'm gonna have to kill him. Oh, crackers.